What a day, good morning. Welcome to Becon's College. My name is Kevin Morris and I'm the college manager. I'm now going to explain a few changes we have made for the safety whilst attending college. There are various hand sanitizer dispensers located around the college for your use. Screens have been installed at the reception area to protect reception staff, visitors and students. Students will not be required to sign in. Your attendance will be recorded on your class register. It is very important for the safety of yourself and others that all students vacate the college site immediately after your timetable session and do not linger on the premises. Various one-way systems have been put in place throughout the college to minimise passing traffic. 2-metre signs are visible through the college, reminding us to keep a safe distance at all times. And bilingual signage can be found at various locations, providing information how to reduce transmission. A grab and go service will be available, provided by our refectory staff. It is important that you stay with students that you have been bubbled with, and unfortunately, there is no seating in any communal areas. If you require any information on transport, please contact our student services team, who will be more than happy to help. A booklet has been produced by our assistant principal, covering everything I have mentioned within this short presentation, and is available to students on the Moodle system. There is no need to be concerned, as there is plenty of help and advice at hand, and I can assure you that your safety is our #1 priority. I look forward to seeing you all soon. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much.